Hi everybody, how are you? I had to improvise a little bit, so I'm outside actually of my office. I couldn't get a connection inside, so I'm here. I'm hoping that you can actually hear the waterfall that's across the street once the cars start to slow down going by, and you can see the full moon behind me, and it's just magnificent. I figured I had to come out here, I had to capture this energy, I had to capture this view, I had to capture the sound of the waterfall across the street from us. So I hope you enjoy it, I hope you can hear it, and I'm just going to jump on my computer real quick to make sure that everything is going through, and then we'll get started, okay? Hold on 1 second, enjoy the moon. All right, so it looks like my computer is just not going to connect with my cell phone. So that's okay. I'll try to see the comments if I can. Otherwise, I'm just going to go with it. Hopefully you can hear me. If you can't hear me, please do something. Give me some thumbs up or something like that, or some sad faces if something goes wrong, so I know to stop. Right now I'm going to start with a little bit of smudging, okay? Alright, so I'm going to be using, and I'll stand out of the way of the beautiful moon in Libra that we have this evening. And let's just take a moment, and I really want to encourage everybody to just take a moment. I know there's so much going on, and it's so sweet. Let's just take a moment, as I was saying, and just have a moment of peace. Let's just have a moment where we ground ourselves. All right, let's just be, for this little time, let's connect to the energy that we have around us, and just have, like I keep saying, that moment. I'll be right back so I can light this sage. Dragon's blood and white sage. Alright, so really awesome clearing energy. Dragon's blood is really great for intensifying any energies that you're working on at this time. So during the full moon, we really want to say some extra prayers for what's going on right now, right? We want to say some extra prayers for ourselves, for our loved ones, for the world. And have faith, have hope, alright? Because we will get through this. Right? Yes, we will. All right. So I'm going to get right into a little drumming. And as I'm drumming, I want you to start just feeling the energies in your body and just start to release the energy that's not correct for you at this time. Release the stress, release the anxiety. Notice what it is that you need to release. Tune into the energy of the waterfall that you may be able to hear or sense across the street. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you very much. Hopefully the cars don't bother you too much. There's more cars out than I thought, but I'm sure they're just coming back from work or something. Anyway, all right, I'm going to start with the drumming, and remember, breathe into the drumming, okay? Sense the energy of the full moon behind us. Sense the energy of the waterfall, okay? Sense it. vibration and let go of what no longer serves you. Hear the water of the waterfall crashing. It keeps going in and out, but I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going, all right? Feel that energy of the full moon. Breathe into it. Let it go. Visualize things getting better, as you know they will. And again, it's hard for me to see far away, so I will be checking the comments after when I go home. I'm just going to keep going with this. It is a little chilly outside, and so we did some drumming. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'm going to use I was guided to bring out the heart chakra bowl as well as the root chakra bowl, so that made a lot of sense to me. Hold on. And of course, because I was scurrying to get everything out here, I have to smell it. So you're gonna have to hold on 1 second, enjoy the sound of the waterfall, and enjoy the full moon. I'll be right back. Okay. I got it. All right. So actually there is some Palo Santo in here as well. So I'm going to light that and burn that as I'm playing actually the heart chakra bowl. Okay. So just bringing in that loving energy that we all need at this time for ourselves and for each other, for the world, and for healing. Thank you for the hearts. I really tried to get this done. I have to say, and I'll show you as well too, the smudge that I have going with the dragon's blood is really cranking. So I think everybody that's here really, really needs it. See how much this is burning? Look at that. Again, this is white sage with dragon's blood. I've never seen it go like this. I only lit a tiny piece because I know better, and it is just cranking. So again, if you feel the calling for that, if you're feeling it, it's white sage with dragon's blood. And I'm just going to let that burn because it wants to. go. Some Palo Santo, bringing up the vibe. Okay. I always love to use Palo Santo to raise the vibe after clearing energy. And I'll just let that burn right alongside the dragon's blood. The white sage with dragon's blood. All right. And a little heart chakra again. Once again, heart chakra. Thank you for the hearts. Hopefully you can hear the waterfall as well too, because it's so beautiful. Just being out here, it's a little cold like I said, but just being out here with the full moon energy and hearing the waterfall in the background is just, it's amazing. So I hope that that's picking up on the camera as well on the feed. So tuning into your heart center, your heart chakra, located in the center of your chest. Saying your prayers and intentions now silently or out loud for yourself, for all of your loved ones, for your neighbors, for your co-workers, for all of the people that are still working on the front lines. Send you love and healing energy. Putting out those intentions of what we'd like to bring in to our lives going forward. Because we know this is just a reset. It's just a reset. Connecting with all those energies that are correct for us at this time. Feeling all of that love and sending those energies out into the universe and to whomever may need them at this time. And I'd like to add a little something extra on here. If you're a person who does do yoga, you may want to do a little back bend here right now, or just open your heart up and just really feel that energy. Somebody's in the parking lot watching me, that's why I laugh. Thank you. And I was also guided, as I said before, to bring out my root chakra bowl because I was running and I was trying to get everything together as quickly as possible. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you so much. And I think grounding is so important, and anybody that works with me knows that I always say that open up all your other chakras, but your root chakra is probably one of the most important ones. All right, so we're going to do a little root chakra work here, just grounding ourselves. So if you are familiar with any type of grounding meditations, ground yourself into the earth, okay? Picture your energy that's in your body that's like not right for you at this time, grounding through your crown chakra all the way down through your torso, through your legs, down the soles of your feet. Imagining that there is roots going from the soles of your feet into the center of the earth, connecting to the crystal that's in the center of the earth, bringing down that energy into the earth to replenish it, to renew it, and to repurpose it. Okay? Energy never dies. Remember that. So now we ground ourselves, and we know that we are safe. Feeling that in our root chakra. crashing of the waterfall across the street and connecting with the beautiful human energy behind us. And solidifying your prayers and intentions at this time. I grabbed some sweetgrass to seal everything, and I'm just trying to light it right now. And if you have worked with sweetgrass before, you know how hard it is to light. And my camera is propped up on top of my car, so I'm afraid to open the door. So I'm trying to light it as best I can. So just bear with me for a moment. And I'm just laughing because I was driving home. I grabbed a couple things and I started driving home, and I was like, all right, I'm going to go home and I'll do the broadcast from there, right? And then as I was driving, I could see the moon. And I was like, oh my God, it's so beautiful. Then I got home and I couldn't see it. So I rushed back here to try to set up as best I could. Hold on. Sweetgrass is not going to give it to me. But believe me when I tell you, the white sage. The white sage with the dragon's blood is burning like crazy, and it's on the ground. I figured, like I said, I would just burn it, right? And it's just burning like crazy, along with the Palo Santo. And I'll just show you across the street as well too, if you're still on here with me. Hopefully you can hear the waterfall a little bit better from this angle. Just taking in that energy of the water. Hopefully you can see it from here. And just using that energy and the feeling and the vibe of the water to release the energies that are no longer serving you. It really is pretty beautiful. I hope you can see it. I hope you can hear it. And I hope that you can use it. And then again, I'll turn over here to the beautiful full moon that we have this evening in Libra. And I hope that you enjoyed this. I know it was a little crazy, but I did the best that I could. And I'm really happy that some of you were able to get on and stayed on, even during my little madness here. I really wish the best for everyone. And I love connecting with you all. And like I said, I'm going to go home and read your comments because I cannot see on my cell phone. Unfortunately, my computer would not connect. So thank you so much. I will be offering other free tutorials, free classes. Let me know if there's something in particular that people are looking for. I was thinking maybe like a psychic development class or something like that. You know, just we have to stick together right now, and it's just something that I really enjoy, and I feel like I can help people with, and it's just something that I'm really guided to do at this time. So drop it in the comments of what you're interested in, and I will definitely be offering something very soon. I will continue with the new moon, full moon. It'll either be one of the other monthly. and we'll go from there. And I hope everybody is okay. I hope everybody's safe. I hope everybody is well. I hope your families are okay. And, let's stick together and do the best that we can, right? All right, guys, have a great evening. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for putting up with my madness. I can't even believe this happened again. But you know what? I think it worked out being outside. So thank you so much, and have a great night. Please stay safe. Please stay home. And if you're interested in a cooking show, we do have one over on the Bella Restaurant and Banquet page for those of you who are local, and for those of you who are not, check it out on Facebook. And we go live on Thursday nights. So that's a lot of fun. It's a great way to connect with people. And it's showing a lot of cooking ideas with ingredients that you probably already have in your fridge. So check it out if you're interested. And like I said, I'll be talking to you soon. I'll be checking the comments. Please let me know what you're interested in as far as classes. All right, guys, have a great night. Bye. Take care. Be safe.